Hello and welcome to another unboxing video. I've got an action camera here by Akaso, the EK7000 PRO action camera. Yeah, I took delivery of it today and I'm about to do an unboxing of it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to quickly open the box, take everything out, and then we'll go through them then, exactly what's in there, what you get for your money, and then I'll go into detail then about the kind of videos and photographs you can take with it for the money that you spent. Okay, there we are. As you can see, I've opened the box up. Everything's out of it. There's nothing else in there. Everything's out. It's all laid out. There's the box that slides out. You see they've got the camera on top, so that's fixed onto the top. You just take that off. This is the box, and it's got a couple of some instructions on the back. Take out the silicone rubber protector. Give the mount buckle a hard pull and pull backwards to disassemble the camera. So that's how you get it off the actual box. So what we do now is it's got a quick start guide. So that will come with the product. So you get to read that to set everything up. You get a box with a memory card in it. That memory card comes with this particular model. It's the EK7000 PRO action camera. So the memory card will come with that. All these bits and pieces now are the fixtures and all that fix it onto a mountain bike, a mountain bike helmet, any bike, any type bike. So we'll have bits and pieces, so we put that to one side. We'll just go through them. This one now is for the actual handlebar, or the bike handlebar mount. You've got a lens to wipe the lens, and ties. There's a couple of ties in there. You've got like a tool, a plastic tool for setting it up. You've got a remote control which fits on the wrist, on your hand, on your wrist. It's a charging cable. Got to get a bit of power eventually, so you'll have to recharge it. So you got a strap. That's probably for the wrist strap. There's I'm not sure exactly what that is. We'll find out. See, all of these, you probably need all of these pieces in here to set it up. That looks like that looks for the mount, the main part of the mount. That'll go on the handlebars. There's a couple of pieces here. They look fairly similar, but there may be one or two of them in two of the same type. Oh, there's another one. There's three of them. That looks like a fit-in for the handlebars as well. This one looks like this is like a battery. Two batteries. Got two batteries with it. There's a clear case or protected case for the back. For the back of the unit. That could be the helmet mount. And then you've got a couple more straps for you then. There's 3 or 4 straps in there. And then you've got a piece, I'm not sure exactly what that is. all these pieces there, all these bits and pieces are all going to be used in order to set up the camera, depending on where you put it. Whether it's on handlebars of a bike, it could be on a helmet, it could be whatever you want to use the camera, basically. But the bike will be the most popular, one of the most popular, and the bike helmet. They'll be the two of the most popular ways of using this camera. So all these bits and pieces here will be for that. So you probably need them all. So basically, what we'll do now, we'll set it all up. I'll set it all up, and then we'll record a video in. Go out and record a video of it on the bike, and then we'll see just how good it is, the quality of it, just how good the quality of the actual camera is, because it's supposed to be 4K. So, and it's a budget camera. So, you know, whether that's a good 4K recording for the money you spent for it, that will depend. I mean, you won't know until I've actually recorded a video, and I'll give you my personal opinion then. But let's see how it goes. But anyway, this is the actual product itself. This is what you get, and that's my video. It's a quick unboxing. It is nothing special. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video now, when I'll record a video of me using the camera, and you can see for yourself then whether you think for the money spent it's a decent camera. It's a decent, you know, is it a decent 4K camera, or do you think it's maybe a good 1080? Because there will be a difference there. Personally, I'm not expecting anything special from it, because it is a budget product. So let's see how it goes. Wait until my next video, and then judge for yourself if you think this is a good 4K camera or a really good 1080. And then judge for yourself, and if you think it's worth a purchase, consider buying one yourself, if you're looking for a camera like this, you know, in the budget category. All right, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks again for watching.